for having your young artist join us for an Art Steps online workshop. Our mission is to provide a classical foundation in a kind, caring community with step-by-step guidance. The point of the class is to have fun developing real classical skills, drawing slowly and carefully, and loving the experience. You can help your child to get a strong start by setting them up for success. We use an app called Zoom. If you haven't already, create an account in advance and make sure you have sound connected. Also, make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Seating your child near a router can help. Leave enough room between the child and the computer to place both their drawing and the reference picture in front of them. To help the teacher see your child's drawing clearly when they hold it up to the computer's camera for personal coaching, place a light in front of the student behind your device or sit facing a bright window. In a quiet space without distractions, have your student set up early with all supplies ready and then be on time to join Zoom. Make sure they've eaten something and are not eating during class. Keep your eye on your email each morning of the workshop. The teacher may send an individualized project for you to print for your student. Help the student keep artwork safe each night. To encourage your child, find specific things to compliment about their artwork, such as drawing lightly, taking their time, and being respectful. If you're around, we'd love to see you on Zoom before or after class. And come celebrate with us the last 5 minutes of the last day for an art show. We hope your child has a fulfilling, educational, and wonderful week with Art Steps at Home.